Hello guys, welcome back for another video. Wait, give me a second. I didn't prepare. Okay, weird, okay. So welcome back for another video. My name is Ron from Ron Domingo. And we got a Lego set right here. So first of all, you gotta look at this vehicle. So the vehicle is really nice. It rolls pretty far away. It rolls good, and yeah, and it says later like 7942 side 7942. We got a fireman logo for Lego, and yeah, and you have a sticker here that's actually rough, which is nice, and a nice front there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the vehicle. The next one is the fireman stuff. So we got a really cool fireman. Wait, we just focus that. There. Got the fireman. He's really cool. Really cool fireman, and he does come with accessories. So he come with this gas tank over here, and this mask, and have a nice articulation over there. And first of all, how to put on these things is first take off the head and put this over, and put the head over, and this and this. There you go, and like that. It's really cool. And yeah, next thing is I really like this part, which is this one. This is a really cool part. Oh my gosh, I'm not focused. There we go. This part is you have this thing, which you have a saw. I think it's a saw, electric saw maybe. This really cool. And next is an axe, really cool. And what else? Well, we peg this back. It's really easy, but the hard part is taking it off. And you got this part. Inside you got a thing here. Wait. Oh my gosh, wait. I have as well. Okay. You have this, which you can just pull really long until there. Until you destroyed it. Okay, I win. So I don't know any way to pull it to properly, you know. Oh shoot! I just destroyed it. I am going to fix it. Okay. No worries. I'm going to fix it later. Yes, oh no, I tried to. Well, don't play with toys, guys. Don't play with toys. Just kidding. Don't pull stuff, okay? And you got a fire extinguisher also, which is really cool. It's really cool. And I don't know ways to put him inside here with his thing on. Without this thing, you can actually really easily just place him on there. There, like, give me a sec. Place him on there, and ta-da, you got him there. There we go. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, it stays actually that. Okay, but it's difficult when you have these on. I'm gonna show you a way to put it like this. You're gonna take off the top, Wait, sorry, not that. Actually, this part was in the front bit over here. Wait. You will like focus on there. Was actually here. Wait, yes, like there. That part here. But what I did to make it like fit the whole thing, this whole thing, is wait. I'm gonna put this over. Oh, I'm gonna put this over. Then head. Then this thing. Then cap. And then what you're gonna do is place it there. But oh my gosh. See? Oh, there you go. Place him there really nicely. And he will actually, you cannot close this thing because his hat here is really weird. I don't know. It's really bugging me. But, well, I don't know where to put the hat, so I just put it in front of him every time. You know, I want him to use it at the side. See? Like here. So it's, you can still see the road, you know. Blind. But it looks weird. Like that. So you got him inside there with his gas mask, but he's holding his cap. So it actually pegs in like this. Bam, and then you can got him wheel around. I didn't really need to fix this part. So yeah, that's really much it for this video. So yeah, guys, I have this has been Rowan, and see you next time.